Moving on into integration, we saw the Outlook client and the fact that you can track emails and appointments and things along those lines from Outlook into CRM, working off the sort of the same timeline for everybody within the records. We'll take a look at Excel and Word in terms of importing, and we'll take a look at Microsoft Teams. We've seen the CRM side of the integration into Business Central. Seeing Business Central itself is another demonstration which we can link you through to if you want to. And we've also linked CRM through to all sorts of other systems, be it websites or invoicing systems or a whole host of different type systems we've integrated CRM into. So let's take a look at Excel, Word, and Microsoft Teams and how all that fits together. So any of these list views, and remember you can create whatever columns you want in here and whatever filters you want in here, can all be directly exported out to Excel, which you probably would expect sort of Microsoft to Microsoft. I'm just going to export that out. Looks like my browser's set to just export out and not automatically open. But I'll just open that up on my other screen. And you would get, just straight out into the Excel, all the correctly formatted views and things along those lines. And there we go. We've got that's date, that's decimal number. It knows what it needs, and you can sort of report from there if you wish to. Or you can sort of pre-create these Excel reports as well. And if we come into Excel templates here into a pipeline one, and we just download the pipeline one, I'll just save that and just open that on this side. What that then does is you would have exported that out and created the template, and you would create Excel charts within the template. So it's immediately sort of your first sort of level reporting pack. So in the past, we've put this in at clients where they've had sales meetings, and in the past without CRM, each salesperson is having to create their own Excel of what deals they've got going on, and then they come in and have the sales meeting and they're presenting their own Excel and things along those lines, where that used to take a day per salesperson for every salesperson this company had, whereas now they've got CRM. And they can just immediately either just push it straight out into Excel or just sit in the sales meeting and sit in those dashboards we were sort of looking at as well, and just do the reporting from the dashboards. So these dashboards can again be system wide or individually built, and can be either the report of activities that have happened and where we are and what position we're in, or a report of things I need to be doing, like these are my active leads, these are my open opportunities, these is my to-do list and the phone calls I need to make, again depending on how you wish to use the system. The Word one was where we exported out into the quote exported out, and that's a sort of a Word layout as well, linking through to there. In terms of Teams, if you use Microsoft Teams, then you can integrate the CRM into Teams. So we've got a channel here for the Datum Corporation company that we're looking at, and this is the CRM screen, and we can run the CRM screen from within Teams, and we can have our usual team chat down the side here, or you could do it with a view. So we've got the open opportunities embedded into this channel here. So this could be your sales meeting where you're coming into here, you're doing the show chart, and you're doing your chat down the side here in a Teams meeting, because especially if your sales team is all remote, especially at the moment as well, and that will integrate through into Teams. Back on the Datum Corp one, the files we looked at when we're in the Datum record in CRM is the exact same files location as in Teams. So there's those two documents as well in here. So you can either add the documents in Teams, they're available in CRM, add them into CRM, they're available in Teams. Okay, so moving on.